Uptown Swing, level 1, 8 count.
Peter Bell.
We did swing outs galore, a million swing outs.
So many swing outs.
It got so much better, and we actually got to touch and dance with all of you a little bit. I will give you 2 points for leaders. Val will give you 2 points for followers. Leaders, your 2 points on the swing out. You got to think about going straight, not sideways, not going around, right? So instead of this, that won't really send someone that way unless you yank them. I go 1, 2, this way, then I turn my body around. So when we come in from open, it's the same idea. Rock, step, triple step. I'm going this way. We have this opposition. We got this tug of war. It's a tie, and I move the whole tug of war that way. After that, if we can be thinking, leaders, about backing up on that last triple step, or at least getting on our right leg. You don't have to go far, but if you're 5, 6, 7, 8, if you're here, the next one's going to be easy. If you're here, you got to yank your arm again. Same idea as on the other triple step. So point your triple steps this way, and then that way. And you can put it on repeat and swing it out a whole bunch. It's going to be great.
Followers. On that 3 and 4, think about continuing this way while you're turning.
But you have to face your leader.
Yeah. And we even talked about how you don't just face them. You can even turn a little bit in.
And you don't even need that one.
Yeah. So then this hold a little bit better.
We're there.
And we did have you not try to connect with left arm right away, but just be caught. You don't even have to touch them here. So try that. That helped a lot, actually. So here, continue this way. Don't run around them.
No running around. All right, good hustle, everybody. I'm going to show one thing for the leaders. Just check this out if you want to try it solo. Rock, step, triple step, 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 triple step. It's a good practice for swinging out just to get you moving in the right direction if you want. Hey, and that was it. Oh, yeah.